Hello everyone, this is Dr. Huma Ibrar. I wish you all a good day. This channel is all about international license exam guidance and material. So those who haven't subscribed yet, kindly subscribe my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. So today's topic is all about Saudi Commission for Health Specialties, SCFHS, and most frequently asked question about Saudi license exam. So those who are preparing for Saudi license exam, watch this video till end, as this video is going to solve all your queries regarding Saudi license exam. The first one question is about what is the meaning of an eligibility number and how can I get it? So in simple words, you must be eligible to test and be issued an eligibility number by SCFHS as to schedule your exam. So this number is to schedule your exam. What is the purpose of the exam? To allow SCFHS to assess your knowledge, skills, and ability in your chosen medical specialty. If I pass the exam, do I get practice license? Not necessarily. In addition to passing the exam, there may be other requirements and procedures required to grant a practice license. Let's move towards the next question. What is the difference between testing inside and outside Saudi Arabia? So the main difference is about cost of taking the exam. That may vary depending on a country you test in. Otherwise, there's no special difference. Other question is about what specialty exams are available at Prometric Center. A complete list of exams offered at Prometric Centers is available on SCFHS site. If your specialty is not mentioned, please contact SCFHS for further information. Next question is about what method can I use to schedule a test? The quickest and easiest way to register is online, as this will give you up-to-the-minute details of seat availability. You can also schedule by telephone by calling the Prometric Regional Contact Center. When registering for a test, you must enter the number and issuing country of either your current passport or government-issued ID card. Let's move towards the next question. How many times am I eligible to take the test? So there are 3 attempts to pass. If not passing the first and second attempts, you may apply to SCFHS for reactivation of your eligibility number as to obtain a third and the last attempt. Generally, your eligibility to take the exam lasts for 3 months from eligibility issuance date. During this time, you are entitled to take the same exam twice. If your 3-month period has expired, you must contact SCFHS to determine whether your eligibility period can be extended. So next is about what is the procedure to reschedule an exam. You can reschedule your appointment at prometric.com or by calling Prometric Regional Contact Centers. Please note there is reschedule penalty period also. How do I cancel a test and do I get a refund? You can cancel your appointment at prometric.com or by calling Prometric Regional Contact Centers. Please note there are cancellation and reschedule penalty periods also. How can I locate my nearest test center? So to locate your nearest test center, visit Prometric site. After requesting SCFHS, click on Locate a Testing Center and this will provide you with necessary information. The link of how to schedule your Prometric exam is also given in description box. Kindly check it out. How quickly can I schedule an appointment? The quickest way to schedule an appointment is by booking online. This should be done at least 2 working days before the desired test date. When registering to test, you must enter the number and issuing country of either your current passport or government issued ID card in line with ID policy for this program. This same passport or ID must be taken by you to testing center for verification at check-in. If you are testing outside of your country of citizenship, you must present a valid passport. The next question is about if I cannot get the date I want, what can I do? The journal aim is to provide you with a suitable appointment date for testing within next 2 weeks. In the unlikely event that you are unable to find a seat online, please contact Prometric Regional Contact Center. While I'm scheduling and I get an error message, eligibility not recognized or my eligibility expired. What does this mean and what should I do? So this message occurs, you should contact SCFHS. It could be that your eligibility period has expired or that your eligibility number has to be reset. The eligibility number reissuance or reset can only be done via SCFHS. So the next question is how many test centers are available in Saudi Arabia? More than 20. A test center is available in each major city and in other location. How do I know that my appointment is confirmed? When your registration has been successfully made, you will receive an email confirmation. All the information that you need, including your confirmation number, contact details of testing center, and the ID requirement you must bring with you is detailed in this email. Can I schedule at any test center? Yes, you can reserve a seat in any location listed for SCFHS examination. How can I pay for my exam? If booking online, by telephone, or an email to a Prometric Regional Contact Center, then your testing fee can be paid with a major credit card, MasterCard, Visa card, or America Express. Unfortunately, payment cannot be made in cash. So the next question is about what is the duration of exam. So exams are between 2 hours and up to 7 hours depending upon exam title. How many questions in my specialty? Generally 100 to 300 questions to answer depending on exam title. What type of questions do I have in my test? Mostly multiple choice questions, MCQs, so you simply select the correct answer from choices that are available. When I get my result at the end of my test, for most exams, yes, when your exam has ended, you will receive a certificate from the test center administrator. It will indicate your score and whether you have successful in passing the examination or not. So what is the passing score of my specialty? This varies according to which exam you are taking. Further information can be obtained by contacting SCFHS. What should I do if there is technical problem or other issue which means I am unable to take my test? In the highly unlikely situation that you are unable to test, you will be issued with an incident number at the testing center. You will then be able to rebook your appointment free of charge by contacting a Prometric Regional Contact Center and quoting the incident number given to you. What should I do if I get incorrect question in my test, so I have to complain during my test? The exam that you will take has been verified many times. However, if you believe that there is an error or have a complaint, then you should notify the test center administrator who will file a report. What should I do if SCFHS do not receive my result? For such and other similar post-testing issues, please contact a Prometric Regional Contact Center. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video and remember me in your prayers.